Hi everybody, it's Adam. And Petri. That's right. We have a treat today because guess what? My hair is getting too long. And what do you do when your hair is getting too long? I need a haircut. You're right. So we're going to talk about getting a haircut today. And there are 3 important tools that you need when you go and you get your haircut. Are you ready to learn? Yep, let's do it. All right. Here are the tools that we need. We have, over here, we have a little comb to comb through your hair. We have a clippers, which goes and can cut off some of the hair. And something here that is a scissors. And this open and closes, and it helps get, again, the hairs cut just right. All right, are you ready to start? Yep, I'm ready. Okay, first, let's comb your hair. Ooh, wow, yep, you have some things that are needed to be combed down. You got a couple little wild ones here. Yeah, my hair kind of stands up. Let's get closer and show everybody. So you have these little hairs that are getting a little long, huh? And your wings. Just on the top of my head, though. Okay, that's what you want. So we used our comb. Next, I have our scissors. We're going to use our scissors. And we just give little trims on there. Oh, I like this part. You're right. And because I'm a professional, I'm doing a good job and I'm cutting your hair just straight. So I know, and I can also ask you, how long do you want it cut? Or how much do you want cut off? And then you've already told me though. Yep, I know. I like this. Yay! Okay. Then lastly, we have a clippers. When you plug it in, it goes boom. And this gets just really close around the edges. I think I look great. I think you do look great. Why don't you smile for everybody? Yay! I got a haircut. And you can get a haircut too. You might use the tools. You might use a comb. They might use a scissors. And they might use a clippers. And that can help us get hair that's cut the way we like it. What about your hair? I cut mine a little different. I cut it really close. So this is the one I have to use because that's what I choose. Oh, cool. All right, if you get a haircut, it's cool. It is. Thanks for watching.